Okay, right. So this is the second lesson, and it's focused on attachments because the reason why I'm using VBA and Outlook alone is because if I use Word and Mail Merge, I require a paid subscription to add attachments to a mass personalized email. Here, in this lesson, we will learn how and where the code is for the attachment. So all of this content can be completely changed. That will be for lesson 3, and I will show you how to do it. But this needs to be an isolated lesson because it's very important. So here we are. We have this in red is the main code you require. Okay. If you want to send 2, if you want to send 2, you can send 2. You just take this. Bosh. What will happen here is that you will send the same file twice. Okay. You won't send 2 emails, but on that email there'll be 2 attached files of the same file. All right. So now I want to change the file, okay? So I will go into Synology. I'm already on All News Kit Media, and I will copy the path for this one, and I will put it in here. Okay? And there will be the new path. So we will now have the asset allocations and this. If you want to remove the asset allocations, just do one attachment. So you now know how to do that. You have to add the path to where I've shown you, and we're going to show an example of how this happens. So I now go to our template, our test list, of course, because I'm not sending these emails out to everyone. I go to developer, I go to Visual Basics, and here is the old code, or the old code. It's usually advised to have new modules opened, but I'm going to use the same module. I'm going to Control C, and the change on this code will be, of course, the attachments are now going to be 2 different attachments. I will save it because otherwise it will have the old one when I run it. I will close it, and I will go to developer again, and I will go to macros, and I will run. Excellent. It has done what it needs to do, and it has basically, as you will see here, last email, yes, the same email, when you will have 2 attachments, as you can see, the ones we just chose and put the path into. So that you can do as many attachments as you want. If you have to do the brochure plus a kit media, you can do that. Okay, so that's how you change the attachments in the code. Always make sure that this part of the code has the right attachments, and if you just want the one attachment, remove it. I will send you the code with this in red, so then that way you can go straight to it. And that's about it for that. Okay, so here end of the lesson,